for design collaboration or collaborating with your works, so how would they wish to collaborate with your?
They can
Is it
directly
only?
call me. I think I'm very open towards my public profile. I have my number, I have my address. I keep everything of my own personal because I want to be connected with every single person who would want to get done anything or if they want any help out of me. I try connecting more personally to them. So I would say people can just directly call me. They can visit my store anytime. I am in Bangalore as of now. I think it's been
Yes.
4 months. So I think I'm going to be here for another a month period of time. So people can visit me at my store anytime, though they can call me any related queries, they can call me and I'm here to help them.
Sure. Thank you so much. Like sharing your journey, really we felt it's very basics that we need to make it correct to reach the successful path out there.
I think it's more of the basic knowledge what the rest of the public out is looking for. People are not looking out for the a chapter of books to be open in yard. How is this strategy? How do you start all this? So I believe giving the more of basic knowledge towards the rest of the public is much more better. It helps them to understand a little more betterly towards what they want to do. So I don't really want to give any of the strategies or any of the chapters. Start this, and then take things towards your career. So for me, the rest of the public who's around or who want to learn things or who I am being an inspiration to, I'm always here to help them.
True, true. I mean that we as a team, when we contacted you, and your coordination with the team showed that yes, you are okay with any time flexibility. Like it was not similar with all the other people also.
Yeah,
But then,
exactly. Because the rest of the people, they after a period of time, what I have noticed in this field as of now, when they start connecting to a little higher
yes,
A-class people, they start having a lot of attitude towards the rest of the people. They try acting that okay, yeah, we are an XYZ personality out in the market. So I think that's something what makes the rest of the people not, be good enough towards people like you guys who's trying to connect us to more number of people out in the market, bringing us out as a better person towards the rest of the public. So I think it's always good to be very down to earth towards whoever's around you. I think that's going to be helpful towards your career, not your money or not your fame, because the fame and the money comes today and it goes back tomorrow. But it's the people who would talk good about you. It's the people who are going to be standing beside you. So I think this is what I have learned from my mother. So this credit goes towards my mother, where she's taught me always कि कितनी भी ऊंचाई पे पहुंच जाओ, always make sure you are very down to earth towards everyone you meet in life. So I think I'm trying to carry this trend towards the rest of the public out.
that will be the best learning for us out there, because the way you only said us not to call you a celebrity designer, that shows your humble
Exactly.
attitude.
That really actually that thing puts me down more. So I would prefer people calling me more like a good designer, a better personality where I can be a helpful person towards everyone out, towards all the youth, towards all the people who's 30 plus or whatever you can consider this as. I'm just here to help the rest of the public.
Sure, sir. I thank you on behalf of Rotary International District
That
3190,
was mine.
Zone Karnat, for being such a wonderful guest and giving the insight of your successful journey and
Thank
letting
you
us
to
know.
have me here, making me connect to rest of the people, making me talk to all of the people out here and giving my personal experience towards my career, towards my journey, what I've been doing. So I think I personally thank you as well to having me as a great speaker on this platform. So we look forward to do better things towards people.
Yes.
We will. You, me, I think the rest of the public. Let's just help the rest of the people out who's wanting to be a better person towards their career,
Yes.
to be a better entrepreneur, to be a better businessman. Let's just help them. Let's just grow together. I think nothing else is better than growing together in today's time.
Yes.
Usually people are selfish out in the market. I would say let's just grow together. Let's have that unity towards every single person. Let's just not have that thought, okay, I am an XYZ personality. I would not want to sit with this person. I would not want to help this person. So let's just not have that mindset towards anything. Let's just have a better vision towards the rest.
I feel that after talking to you, like that's the attitude of life. What we do see towards life is what we drive
Exactly, I
towards.
think that's very important to have a right attitude towards anything you do in life. I mean, that is something what will help you grow in life. That is something what will help the rest of the people out in the market or anyone or your friends to talk good about you, because today's time there are very less people who talks good about
Yes.
you. So
No, in front of us there are many people who talk good.
Exactly. So what I am trying to do is I am trying to create a vibe where people talk good about me behind me and not in front of me. Because I would not want to listen to it on my page. I would want those people to talk good about me or about my work or about anyone, whether it is you or me or whoever. You know, it's always good when someone else is talking behind you, but good things, not the bad things.
So it was really inspiring for us to have you on the session. I mean, it was informal thing what we had, but then it was
It
truly
is okay. I
inspiring.
think I told you, never have a strategy.
Yes.
Never plan for anything.
Yes. And thank you so much. Yes, let's stay connected for such a wonderful cause. All the viewers out there who has any queries will be diverted to your account.
Any day. I'm always here to help all the people who's in and around to be connected to me. I'm always here.
Let all the lockdown just stop it. Then we'll be there out on your store to take a picture with you for your humble person.
You're always welcome to visit my store. Even today, we make sure you are sanitized. We take all the precautions even today. So you can come any day. I mean, our store is always welcoming towards all the people around. Don't have that thought, let's just wait for the lockdown to be open. I think we're trying to take a better care the moment you enter the store. So please drop by anytime, whoever it is, whether it is you or whether whoever wants to visit my store. I think we are always welcoming you and we are here to help and make sure you look the best out of it and not disappoint you. We promise on that.
Sure. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for a wonderful opportunity to host you and let you know more.